Hello everyone, first video of the channel. Just a brief introduction. So I own a bricklaying company. Be nice to show everyone what we do, not these traditional new build smack ups. Just me, a partner and a dog. Did have someone but he didn't pass his apprenticeship, he bailed out. Annoying, I know. So yeah, we just finished off this grand extension. Been working here for about a year now. Originally come here to do just the masonry, and clients good as gold, best clients you could ever have asked me to kind of run and help them do the project managing. It's their first time of doing it. Done pretty well, to be fair. Carpenters had a bit of a hiccup with the roof. Apart from that, it's all gone pretty swish. So I shall show you exactly how it's done and just finishing touches really. So yeah, see what you think. So here we go. Just a bit of snagging. I've got to put a pipe in there just to take away the rainwater. But this is the front of the extension. Brand new entrance. I've got a nice P at the front there. We come around. This is what I'm going to tell you. There. This is the side of the extension. So I've put an extractor fan up there. If you come around. And efforts to come on the brickwork, I'm not really pissed off about, but a bit of circuitry work in the corner. Stick around. Got the shed at the bottom. It's the side, the back entrance of the extension. So it gets very windy here. Covered the bricks up. Left for us to just come out, good clean up and finished. Stairs. Yeah, you could drain the back there. Laid on the porcelain. Built that extension as well. Did all that. Patio down there. Got some old cob. Built a well. Got the old cob coming down onto here. Beautiful path. There's the circular brickwork for the tree. That for an extension there. Beautiful, beautiful place. Fantastico. It's getting there now. It's getting there. These same clients just bought a farm. They want us to take the farm down, have a complete new build, grand manor house. Starting that very soon. Got some brickwork to do on a new house as well, timber frame. Got that to start soon. A lot of work. And this is the front. Beautiful. This extension at the bottom is probably about 2.5 years old. Built on top of it. Just only recently. A bit of a dent in there where the scaffolds are taking it down. Just taking focus. A slight dent on this side. This up as well. Kind of does a dinky return with a small door window at the top. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing. Probably here for another week. Then we'll be finished. Got a wall to take down, a tree blown over. Insurance job. Not much really. And then yeah, looking forward end of March, start of April to do the timber frame new build, specialist brickwork similar to this extension, so that'd be nice. So yeah, a lot of work in the pipeline, which is good. So if you enjoy, stay tuned, watch again, have a good one.